Hello again, everybody. Okay, this is a trick called Prediction 13. It's the card trick video of the day on my website, thecardtrickteacher.com. It's also the third consecutive video that I'm doing for a trick created by Calibus71. So that's a hat trick. I've never done 3 videos in a row from one person's card tricks. I think Calibus71 has a brilliant mind and he comes out with these great ideas. So let me get right into the tutorial. What you want to do is you want to make a prediction of 13 cards. You don't need to print them out like I did. I just have a sloppy handwriting. I want you to see the cards. You don't have to put down the suits, just the values of the cards, and then you want to find them. So we're going to take 1, 2 3s, a 4, 1 5, 1 7, 2 8s, 1 9, 1 10, 2 jacks, 2 queens, and do that with 13 more cards. 2 3s, a 4, 5, a 7, 2 8s, a 9, a 10, 2 jacks, and 2 queens. So we've now taken 26 of the 52 cards, and this is our prediction, which we're going to fold up, and we can put the prediction in the card box. Now the spectator doesn't need to know that we're making a prediction of any of 13 cards. We put the card box aside. Now we want to set these cards up in no particular order. So we'll go 3, Queen, 10, 9, 8, 5, Jack, 8, 7, 4, 3, Queen, Jack. And we want to do the same exact thing here. 3, Queen, 10, 9, 8, 5, Jack, 8, 7, 4, 3, Queen, Jack. So both of these stacks of 13 cards are exactly the same with numeric value in the same order. We want to then take the cards and place them on top of each other and place them now on top of the rest of the deck. And we want to remember the bottom card, which is the 2 of diamonds, which we're going to want to get back to the bottom because that's going to be our key card. Now we can give the cards a random cut and we're ready to start. Remembering we need to get that 2 of diamonds back to the bottom of the deck. So we have a spectator. We tell the spectator we're going to make a prediction. We put it in the box and we show them that all the cards are completely different. And they can look through the deck and they can see that there's no setup. We then have them cut the cards, and they can cut the cards as many times as they like, and this will not affect the order of the deck. We can also do several false cuts. Here's a pretty cool one where you grab a portion, another portion, making a break right here, drop it, drop it, drop it. So it's like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Nothing gets disturbed. Another one that's pretty cool is you take the bottom half of the deck, hit it together like this, and then set it back down. So it's deceptive and it looks like you've cut the cards. Another one is the false overhand shuffle, where you take a group of cards, throw some cards down, grab these with your ring finger, bring them to the front, and then bring these back to the back. I have a tutorial on the false overhand shuffle. Anyway, you want to have the deck appear to be mixed up. Then what you want to do is you want to look for your key card, which is the 2 of diamonds, and get that 2 of diamonds immediately right to the bottom of the deck, and now you're ready to go because your 26 cards are on top of the deck. So now it appears like the deck is mixed up, and you count out 26 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 26 cards, and we'll put the rest of the deck aside. Now what we do is we tell the spectator, and what we want to do now is we want to reverse it. So we're going to tell the spectator we're going to take out 13 cards: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then we're going to count out 13 cards: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What we've just done is we've just reversed the order. So here we have the 3 on the bottom and the jack on the bottom, and over here we have the jack on the top and the 3 on the top. So both of these are the exact same 13 cards in reverse order. Spectator doesn't know that. They think these are complete 26 random cards. We now have the spectator give the cards a riffle shuffle any way they like. Just shuffle the cards together. And this is the Gilbreth principle, where they can shuffle the cards together, and it does not matter how they do it, but if you count out 13 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, both piles of 13 cards will remain intact with the 13 prediction cards. So it does not matter which pile the spectator chooses. Now we can tell that to the spectator. We could say, you're going to select a pile, and that is the pile we're going to use. So which pile do you want to use for this trick? So let's say this one. We'll take this pile, and we can just bury the evidence and get it lost in the deck and say, all right, you selected this pile. Let's see our prediction. Our prediction was there are going to be 13 cards, which was easy because I counted 13. But let's see. There were 2 queens, and we have 1, 2 queens. There are going to be 2 jacks. We have 1, 2 jacks. There was going to be 1 10, 1 9, 1 8, 2 8s, 1 7, 1 5, 1 4, and 2 3s. And there are the 13 cards prediction, and that will amaze people because they've shuffled the cards were cut, and they selected the pile that they wanted. They had no idea that both piles had the exact same cards in it. This trick uses the Gilbreth principle, which I've actually done in my best mentalism card trick. It was sent to me by David Smith, is it? I'm sorry, maybe I've got his name wrong, but I tell the person who introduced me to the Gilbreth principle in this video. Then diagonal attraction is another cool card trick which applies the Gilbreth principle, and the make a deck bet, which also uses the Gilbreth principle. But thank you, Caliber 71, for another very cool mentalism prediction mathematical card trick. And check out my website, thecardtrickteacher.com. That's it. Contest 22 is coming up right away, and it will be a prediction contest. That's it. See you next time.